our best notes. I'm halfway to playing the striped piano. Then right there in between those best notes, I'll play chords for the striped piano sound. There is that the striped piano. I'm a whiz at the striped piano. The striped piano. Yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, yeah. 'Cause my right hand goes over the melody I make up. Then my left hand plays tricks with the rhythm and both hands are taking it out. My fingers feel breezy, they're easy on the keys. They're light and their feet are grooving together with the moving bass first for me.
Oh, I can never be lonely. You got me everything that I need.
I feel good, I feel strong, nothing bad can go wrong. Nobody has command what a woman needs to have. There's such an appealing, powerful feeling, sitting with a handful of keys. I like to think like a piano.
I like to play it in a sabble manner.
I got a pressure with a spanner, kissing the rhythm, my fingertips. I like to sing a little tune that's mellow.
Tuberculosis, nothing swallow.
I like to have a simple melody just sweeping over my legs. A handful of keys and a song to sing. Ba, ba, ba. Tickling Jeffrey singing jive. Ba, ba, ba. Bang those old white notes, bang those old black notes, bang those old 8 notes, bang those old whole notes. Try that old left hand, try that old right. There's such an appealing, powerful feeling, still we have for keys.
Benvenuti a una nuova puntata di Mille Voci!
Direttamente dal Satiricon di Aprilia.
Ringraziamo Gianni Turco, il regista e tutto lo staff nostro.
E vi invitiamo a restare con noi perché sarà una puntata straordinaria.
Sì, spumeggiante.
Ringraziamo il pubblico allora.
Certo, il pubblico va sempre. Cosa ti è?
Soprattutto se... Che è successo? Ne si è ammosciato?
Siete
si è ammosciato?
un microfono.
Già.
Dai,
Allora io direi di